And welcome back to the next video of learning Kubernetes. So in this video we will be creating our Postgres deployment as well as cluster IP service. So inside your KH directory you can create this Postgres deployment.yaml. So again, this is very similar to client deployment as well as server deployment. The only change is this name and this component over here and the name and image name, and we are running that container port on 5432. Similarly for cluster IP service, this name has been changed and this component name has been changed because that is what we are referring over here, and the container port and that the port and the target port I have kept is same 5432. Now all you have to do is you can just go run docker desktop and here you can just run this command kubectl apply -f k8, so it will apply it to all. Next, what you will have to do is you just run kubectl get pods. Now here for your Postgres you might be seeing this crash loop back off. This is because we have not configured this like this pg user, pg password, pg host, pg port and all that stuff. If you want to know what exactly is the root cause of the issue, you can just run this command kubectl logs and you should write the same name which is present over here. So if I press enter now, here you can see that database is uninitialized. So yeah, that's it. Like in future videos we will see how to get this up and running.